Hey everybody, Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the oil in a late model Honda Civic. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the oil in this 2019 Honda Civic, and procedures will be similar for any late model Civic, but be sure you know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Run the engine until it reaches operating temperature or until the fan comes on. Then turn off the engine. Raise and support the front end. Remove the undercar engine plate by removing the 6 fasteners and 2 screws. Slide a drain pan into place under the drain bolt. Use your ratchet and 17mm socket to remove the drain bolt and let the oil run out completely. Wipe any excess oil from around the opening and off the drain bolt with a shop towel. Replace the drain bolt and tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Locate the oil filter, slide your drain pan underneath it, and use your filter wrench to loosen it. Finish removing it by hand and pour the oil from the filter into the drain pan. Wipe down the area where the filter was threaded and make sure the old O-ring came off with the filter. Lubricate the new O-ring with fresh oil. Thread the new filter into place by hand. Once the O-ring is against the oil pan, tighten the filter to 9 foot-pounds. Open the hood and locate the oil fill cap. Refill the oil with the amount and type of oil recommended by the manufacturer. In our case, we'll put in 3.7 quarts of 0W20 for gasoline engines. Replace the oil fill cap and use the dipstick to check the oil level. Start the engine, let it run for at least 3 minutes, then turn off the engine and check the oil level again. Make sure there aren't any leaks. Once you're sure there are no leaks, replace the undercar engine plate using the fasteners and screws you removed earlier. It's now safe to lower the vehicle and close the hood. To reset the oil change notification on your maintenance minder, turn your vehicle to the on position. If system messages are displayed, press the information switch or audio remote multi-information display switch to cancel the display until the maintenance minder icon is displayed, then press the source enter button. The display should show the remaining engine oil life. Press and hold the source enter button for 10 seconds or more. The maintenance reset mode appears on the multi-information display. Select item A only and the system should be reset. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.